In this lecture, we will try to understand program of stack using linked list. In this program, first we will try to understand push operation. In my previous lecture, I already discussed stack program using arrays. In this program, we need a structure whose name is node. Struct space structure name node. This is structure beginning int info. Int info means info is an integer type variable, isn't it? Struct node star link means link is a pointer variable. Star top is also variable whose data type is struct node, which is initialized with null value. This particular structure is useful to write a program on stack using linked list. Main, which indicates beginning of your C program. Int choice means choice is integer type variable. CLR clear screen, which will clear the output screen. While 1 means it is infinite while loop. This is menu driven program. 1.push, 2.pop, 3.display, 4.quit, enter your choice. After displaying these options, let me say I entered number 1. What does it mean? I am interested in pushing an element. Pushing means what? Inserting an element. Let me say enter your choice means let me say I entered number 1. What does it mean? I am interested in pushing an element in the stack. Let me say that value is stored in choice. Therefore, what is the value of choice? 1, isn't it? Switch choice means switch 1. Switch 1 means case 1. Case 1 is push. This one is function call or calling function. Automatically control will transfer to the definition of the function. Let me move to the next slide where I can find definition of this particular function. Push. This is function definition. Open flower bracket. Struct node star tmp. Struct node star tmp means its tmp is a variable whose pointer type variable whose data type is struct node. I already discussed what is struct node. In struct node we have two fields. What are they? First field is, what is first field? Info, and second field is link field, isn't it? First field is info field, second field is here, just see, first field is info field and second field is link field. This is the structure. Now let me say, now into pushed underscore item. Into pushed underscore item means what? Pushed underscore item is integer type variable, isn't it? TMP is pointer variable. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. What happens? TMP equal to malloc size of struct node means internally a node will be created. Let me say this is the node. TMP equal to, this is TMP in which you have two fields. One field is info field and another field is link field. This address is 1000, isn't it? Let me assume address is 1000. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. Printf, input the new value to be pushed in the stack. Let me say I entered number 10. This number 10, where will it get stored? It will get stored in the place of pushed underscore item. Now what is the value of pushed underscore item? 10, isn't it? TMP arrow info equal to pushed underscore item. TMP arrow info means what? TMP arrow, this is TMP, arrow info means this one. Here I must keep pushed underscore item. What is pushed underscore item? 10. Let me say I enter, let me keep 10 here, isn't it? TMP arrow info equal to pushed underscore item. TMP arrow link equal to top. TMP arrow link equal to top. We already initialized top with null. Just see here, the top equal to null. Therefore, what can I say? Top equal to null. TMP arrow link, where is that code? This code. TMP arrow link equal to top. What is my top value? Null. In first slide we initialized it with null. Yes, TMP arrow link equal to top. top equal to TMP. What does it mean? Top equal to TMP. What is my TMP value? TMP value is 1000. Therefore, I can say this is 1000. It must be the case. Top equal to TMP. Yes. Now, where can I go? After executing this particular function, I must go back. Yes. Again, where can I go? Break. What is the break? Break means there is a break in case 1 because of this function. Push function is executed. Break means you will come out of the switch. This is switch beginning. This is switch ending. Again, end of while. This while is an infinite loop. Again, I must go back while 1. Again, options will get displayed. Let me say again I entered this number 1. If I enter number 1, that number 1 will get stored in the place of choice. Switch choice means switch 1, case 1, push. Isn't it? Push means function call. Again, I must go to the definition of this function. Struct node star TMP into pushed and score item. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. Again, what does it mean? Internally a node will be created. With what name? With the name TMP. Therefore, let me write TMP. This one is TMP, isn't it? Now, this cannot be TMP. Recently created node is TMP, isn't it? Let me remove this. Yes. Now, where can I go? Let me choose pen. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. Printf, input new value to be added. Let me say now I entered previously I entered 10. Now let me say I entered 20. That number 20, where will it get stored? It will get stored in the place of pushed and score item. TMP arrow info. This TMP has two fields. First field is info field. Second field is link field. Let me say this address is 2000, isn't it? Now, TMP arrow info equal to pushed and score item. What is my pushed and score item? 20. Therefore, this is TMP arrow info equal to pushed and score item means here I must write 20, isn't it? TMP arrow link equal to top. This one is TMP whose link equal to top. What is my top value? 1000. Therefore, let me say this is 1000. Automatically it will search for a node whose address is 1000, isn't it? Now what happens? TMP arrow link equal to top. Now top equal to TMP. Top equal to TMP means what? Now let me write. Otherwise let me remove this one. Just a minute. Top equal to TMP. Yes. Top equal to TMP means what? This is the code. Top equal to TMP. Top is a variable whose value is TMP. What is my TMP value? 2000. Therefore, this top will point to this particular node, isn't it? Yes. Now where can I go? After executing this particular code, I will go back to the first slide where we were in case 1, isn't it? In case 1, push already executed. Break means we will come out of the switch. Again, where can I go? Beginning of the while loop. All the options will display. Let me say I entered again number 1. Choice is 1, switch 1, case 1. Case 1 means again push. Push means I must go to the definition of this function. As usual, struct node star TMP. TMP means it's a pointer variable. Int pushed and score item. Yes, int pushed and score item. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node means what happens? A node will be created. With how many fields? With 2 fields. What are they? First field is info field. Second field is link field. Let me assume this node address is 3000. This, let me say this is TMP. Now let me erase, this cannot be TMP, isn't it? Let me erase this also. Yes, just a minute. Yes, 1 second. Yes, now where we are, just see, let me choose pen. Yes, TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. This is TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. Input the value to be pushed on the stack. Let me say I entered number 30. This 30 will get stored in the place of pushed and score item. TMP arrow info equal to pushed and score item. This is TMP arrow info equal pushed and score item ante 30. Pushed and score item means 30, isn't it? TMP arrow link equal top. TMP arrow link equal top. What is my top value? 2000, isn't it? 2000. Automatically it will point here, isn't it? TMP arrow info equal pushed and score item. TMP arrow link equal to top. Next one is top equal to TMP. Top equal TMP means just you should update top. How can I update? Just see. Just a minute. Yes. Now again let me choose pen. What it says, this is a top equal to TMP. Top equal to TMP means what? This is top equal to TMP. What is my TMP? 3000. 3000. Automatically it will search for a node whose address is 3000, isn't it? After executing this particular function, I must go back. Again, we were in case 1. What happens in case 1? In case 1, what it says, case 1 break. After this break, we will come out of the switch. End of file, we will go to the beginning of the file. Again, options will get displayed. Enter your choice means, let me say I entered 1. Choice is 1, switch 1, case 1, push. Again, I must go to the definition of this push function. Where can I write this one? Struct node star TMP, pushed and score item, int pushed and score item. Malloc TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node means what happens? Let me remove this TMP first. Now again a node will be created with which name? TMP equal to malloc size of struct node means what happens? A node is created with, how will it be? This one TMP, here info, this one is link. Let me say this address is 4000, isn't it? That's what it says. TMP equal to malloc size of struct node. Input new value to be pushed in the stack. Let me say I enter number 40. That number 40 will get stored in the place of pushed and score item. TMP arrow info. This one is TMP arrow info means this field. TMP arrow info equal pushed and score item. What is my pushed and score item? 40. Therefore, TMP arrow info equal pushed and score item means 40. TMP arrow info equal pushed and score item. TMP arrow link equal to top. This one is TMP arrow link equal to top. What is my top value? 3000. This must be 3000. 3000. Yes. TMP arrow link equal to top. Top equal to TMP. Top equal to TMP means what? What does it mean? Top equal to TMP. Top equal to TMP. Let me write here. Top equal to TMP. TMP means 4000. Isn't it? Yes, top equal to TMP. Now, where can I go? I must go back. Let me go back. Break will get execute. In push function, after push break, after break means you will come out of switch, end of switch. Again I will go back while one. again all these options will be displayed, isn't it? Let me say I entered number 4. 4 means what? Quit. Switch choice is 4. Switch choice, switch 4. Case 4. Case 4 means exit 1. Exit 1 means we will come out of this particular program. Thank you very much.